Hello everyone and welcome to Van Tech Corner. Recently, I have upgraded my PC's wireless card from the Intel AX210 WiFi 6E to the Intel BE200 WiFi 7. Actually, for normal users, there's not much difference between the AX210s and the BE200. However, since I'm going to review more Wi-Fi 7 devices in the near future, this upgrade is a must. My PC's mainboard is the MSI MAG B460M motor and it doesn't have the M.2 slot for wireless card. So I use the PCIe to M.2 adapter. This product is very popular on the marketplace such as Amazon or AliExpress. The installation is simple and straightforward. As first, we will need to take out the adapter from the PC by unscrew the screw. Now, let's remove the AX210 from the adapter. All you need to do is unscrewing and gently slide the card to take it out. Be careful when disconnecting the antenna cables from the card as you may break it. You can use a tweezer to do this. All good. It's time to install the new BE200 wireless module. Just slide it in, use the screwdriver to tighten the screw, and voila! And before you proceed, don't forget to connect the antenna cables to the card. Now, let's insert the PCIe adapter to the mainboard. The adapter usually comes with a port to provide power for the Bluetooth module, so make sure you connect it to the adapter as well. Once the PCIe adapter is inserted to the mainboard, usually the PCIe X1 slot, let's tighten it with a screw. Lastly, connect the wireless antennas and you should be ready to go. According to Intel, the BE200 has limited functionalities on Windows 10. So, I have upgraded my PC from Windows 10 to Windows 11 just to test out this feature. Of course, it is recommended to uninstall the old wireless driver and install the latest one from Intel website or using the Intel driver and support assistant like what I'm doing. For this video, my driver version is 23.170.0.1, running a quick check with NetEdge wireless show drivers. I can see that the BE200 support 3 bands, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz and 6 GHz. Connected to a Wi-Fi 7 SSID running on 5 GHz, the recorded link speed is up to 2882 Mbps or 2.8 Gbps per second. However, the speed test result is under my expectation. It is just 595 Mbps download and 929 Mbps upload, where my internet speed can reach up to 1.5 Gbps per second. Perhaps there's something wrong with either the access point, which is powered by the MediaTek MT7996, or the BE200 itself. Running few more tests with iPub3, I can see that the speed is even slower than my Intel's AX210. This is with both Internet Speedtest and iPub3. I also tested the BE200 with a Wi-Fi 6 SSID running on 5 GHz. This is from the OpenWRT1, which I can easily get up to 1.2 Gbps download and 900 Mbps upload with Intel's AX210. Unfortunately, the speed test result with BE200 is disappointing. It is only 660 Mbps download and 883 Mbps upload. Besides Windows 11, I also tested the BE200 on Ubuntu 24. The driver is pre-installed and it is just plug and play. Here, the PC is connected to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi 7 SSID running on the MT7996. The reported link speed is now 2161 Mbps. Security is WPA3 and the signal strength is excellent. iPub3 throughput in normal directions for streams is 1.15 Gbps per second, and running the same test in reverse or download, the throughput is 1.2 Gbps per second. You may wish to know if 6 GHz is working with the BE200. According to Intel, and technically, yes, but I was unable to connect to any Wi-Fi 7 SSID running in 6 GHz. However, I can see 5 GHz SSID of the Banana Pi R4 with MT7996 reported collocated AP on the 6 GHz band. This is something to be explored further. Alright, so that will be all for this video. In the next one, I will review the Banana Pi R4 with the MT7996 Wi-Fi 7 module, and we are going to test it further. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.